Tired of missing out on Pinterest analytics because your site isn't verified? Here's how to claim it in minutes. We'll cover the 3 verification methods: HTML tag, file upload, or DNS record. Pick the one that works for you. Start by opening Pinterest in your browser. Now, make sure you're on a business account, not a personal one. If you haven't switched yet, it's quick and free to convert from the settings menu. You need a business account to unlock any of these features. All right, navigate to the Business Hub page. You can find this in the menu under your profile icon. Scroll down to the section labeled Track Your Performance. This is where all the good stuff lives once your site is connected. Go ahead and click the Claim Your Domain button. Pinterest will now show you 3 options: add an HTML tag, upload an HTML file, or add a TXT record to your DNS. Choose the method that feels most comfortable for you. The HTML tag and file upload are easiest if you can edit your website directly. The DNS method is great if you have access to your domain provider, like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Let's say you pick the HTML tag method. Copy the block of code Pinterest gives you. Now go to your website's backend. You're looking for the header section of your site, usually found in your theme settings or a custom code area. Paste that tag right before the closing head tag. Save your changes. That's it. If you prefer the file upload method, download the verification file Pinterest provides. Then open your site's file manager or use FTP to upload that file to the root directory of your website. That's the very first folder, not a subfolder like images or blog. Just drop it in there. If you're going the DNS route, copy the TXT record value from Pinterest. Then log into your domain provider's dashboard, find your DNS settings, and add a new TXT record. Paste the value exactly as shown, including any underscores or dots. Save the record. Now go back to your Pinterest tab. Click the Continue button. Pinterest will start checking your website for the verification code you just added. This process might take a few minutes to complete. Be patient here. Sometimes it needs a little time to propagate. Once it finishes, check the status. You should see a green checkmark or a verified message next to your domain. Now, the real fun begins. With your site verified, you can access Pinterest's website analytics. You'll see exactly which pins are driving traffic to your pages and how people are engaging with your content. Your content will also be attributed to your site properly. That means if someone saves a pin from your blog post, Pinterest knows it came from you. This is huge for tracking performance and building authority. You also unlock additional business features, like rich pins. Rich pins automatically pull information from your website, like product prices or recipe ingredients, directly onto the pin. That saves you time and keeps everything accurate. If your verification fails, don't panic. Common issues include typos in the code or TXT record, pasting the HTML tag in the wrong part of your site, or waiting too little time for DNS to update. Double-check everything. Clear your browser cache and try again. It almost always works on the second attempt. So now you're all set. Your website is verified on Pinterest, your analytics are live, and your content is getting the credit it deserves. Thanks for following along, and happy pinning!